So this is how you're gonna add a signature in Microsoft Word on Android. So let me show you how I like to personally do it. If this is your first time on this channel, definitely become part of our community by subscribing, and that way you don't miss anything important. So I like to use the official Microsoft Word app, which is good enough, right? You can get inside as usual. You can work on your projects and everything, right? But if you want to add a signature, there are more ways to do it. For example, you're going to tap on the draw tool and you have the ability to pick the pen thickness and style that you want to like draw in here. And you can essentially just zoom in like that. And you have the ability to just draw something on it, right? So you will have the option to just add the drawing right here. And that's really cool because you can just draw whatever and like use your finger to basically like sign the document. So that would work most definitely. But outside of that, if you already have the signature saved somewhere as an image, what you can also do is to tap on insert, and you will have the option to type in or bring in here the image of the signature. Ideally, it would be in the PNG format with a transparent background, but that way you could have the ability to like add the signature if it's been a photo saved in your gallery. So you kind of have to have that prepared before, but I think that the drawing tool is going to be the best option for the majority of people. But this would be all from me. I hope I was able to help you out and assist you with this issue. Let me know what you think about this video below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.